impaired. So we, as presented earlier, the proposal is around the exploring the intersection of natural language based and the computer vision in order to build an accessibility aid for visually impaired. So there has been a significant increase in the developments in the fields of object detection, localization, but most of these problems that we present are mostly in the single modal learning domains. What we want to be exploring is a multimodal learning domain where we want to study the amalgamation of natural language and computer vision. One of the interesting field here is reference expression comprehension, which is the task of like localization of target object based on natural language query that we are providing. So with this project, we aim to work on intersection of REC, that is reference expression comprehension, and object localization by and extending it, and we can extend it on towards the larger idea of how we can turn into this idea into an IoT based aid for visually impaired. So in the past, there have been work on how REC has worked. So one of the significant work has been done on using MatNet. So what we are working is we'll be exploring MatNet, and we'll be finding what drawbacks are there for MatNet, why and how MatNet would be working with the data set that is different from the context that MatNet was trained on originally, and how it will perform on those data sets. Next, we'll be working on shortcomings of MatNet, which were MatNet was not able to localize the objects that are if there are multiple objects in a frame,